Well, hello, folks. Good evening from McCall, Idaho. I just wanted to get out for a little walk this evening. When it was a little bit cooler. I think it's like 6:45, and I'm out on this trail, this bike trail, walking trail. I want to go into some like woods, a woodsy area. Maybe there'll be a bench to kind of sit down and relax. These are some flowers that I have not, or plants that I have not seen in New Mexico. So must be Idahoan plant. So I don't know. This is a nice little trail along this road. As you can see, I'm probably even more in the middle of nowhere than I am back in Santa Fe. Anyway, as far as the zip lining goes, oh my God, we had such a hard time getting there in my dad's small car. My mom borrowed his car to drive up there. It took us forever on this like really steep mountain dirt rock road. Part of the way was paved, part of it was not. And it was very treacherous, and you can only really could barely get two cars going through the road at the same time. So it was quite challenging when we had to get like around another car on this road. So anyway, not important. We went up there, and I mean, this place is really up in the mountains in the middle of nowhere, and it's just so hard to. I mean, you wind around on this little mountain, like a trail almost. It's more like a trail than a road, really, to me anyway. Smell like a flower sitting out here. This looks like a pretty nice road. I don't know, or trail. I'm sorry. Well, this is the road right here. You can see I'm walking, like right alongside it. My brother was saying that we were very close to Pacific time zone. So maybe that's why it seems to get dark a little later here than in New Mexico, because we are still in the central time zone, but just barely, because we're not too terribly far from the Oregon line. Maybe, I don't know, 40 to 60 miles or something from the Oregon line. Something like that. Maybe 45 minutes to an hour drive from the Oregon line up here. I don't know where this. Oh, maybe I'm coming up to some woods here. This is beautiful. I like it. The sun's not as well. The sun is very hot here, but it's more shady. So all this green and all these trees, and it's amazing. So I'll try to do a kind of long one, hopefully today. Caitlin Loop. I'm on crossing that. So yeah, these days are going by so fast. They always go by so fast when you're on vacation. Ooh, Ponderosa State Park now. Okay. When I walk to Ponderosa State Park, I see a sign up there for it, but I don't know how far it is.
I need to slow down.
Okay. Yeah, see, here's a sign for Ponderosa State Park. It's where the lake is, or I think. Hit Lake Loop. Oh, I see that's right, the road turn, or the trail turns like here. That's where we would go back into town, I guess. Yeah, that way, off that way, is where the lake is, I think. Ponderosa State Park. This is Lick Creek Meadows. I guess the development my brother's in is called Lick Creek Meadows. So you can see there. I don't know what this trail is. I'm gonna go up through some pine trees. I don't know if there's anywhere to like sit down. This is so beautiful. Honestly, I'd prefer to live here over in New Mexico just because of the green and the water and all that. I'm reminiscent of the Midwest. You know, so I don't know where this goes. I have no idea. Or wait, am I going the right way? I don't know. Maybe I should go. Oh, maybe I should go back that way. Yeah, I think I'm going the wrong way. Okay, my bad. Gee, I really don't know where I'm going. I really don't. This is the Ponderosa State Park. Is this way? So, I don't know. There's gotta be a place to sit down around here. Maybe I was going the right way. I have no idea. So. It's nice scenery though. Is there a park over there? Is that it? What is that over there? It's like some kind of park, timber circle. Oh, it's private. Okay. Can't go there. Whew. Private land. Yeah, there's no trail over here, so. I don't know. This must go to the park, but I don't know how far down it is. Yeah, I'll just go back to that where I crossed. Because, yeah, that runs out, that trail, see, runs out by that private drive. So, and there's no trail on this. Okay, I think I know where I'm at now. Kind of have my bearings. Unless, I don't know. Pilgrim Cove Road. I don't recognize the name of that road. I'm just exploring. Not much out here, but that's nice. Oh, street. The next like little street over is like Chipmunk Lane. I can see the sign from here. It's I should walk over to Chipmunk Lane. This is Lick Creek Road and Pilgrim Cove Road. So it's Pilgrim Cove Camp. So I don't know. Yeah. Oh, I wanted to show you this chipmunk lane. It's like a dirt road. Dirt road right here. Exploring the area. We'll be here until Sunday. So hopefully I'll get that zip lining thing in tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. My mom said she'd go back. I guess my brother and then we're going kayaking tomorrow, so he didn't want to take his big truck, because he'd be busy. So, I don't know what is going on with that right now. It'd be nice to have a bike here. It seems to be a little flatter than New Mexico, but it's still, I think, 5,000 something feet elevation. I'll walk down here a little, I don't know. Okay. See, I don't know where the benches are. Guess could I sit up here? Oh, under this pine tree. Hey, that'd be nice. Yeah, scenery, that's beautiful. Yeah. Well, this isn't as bad as New Mexico with the hills. Not as prickly, I guess. Oh, woo! Oh, so nice. My friend the pine tree. Oh, the breeze feels nice. You can see that. Kind of where I'm at. I think this is the road we come in on this, whatever, this one, but, like, I don't know. All these roads pretty much look the same. I mean, at least they're, like, not as windy as, like, Santa Fe, but, it's easier to get around. My parents are like now finally use the Siri thing on their phone, and they're like, it's so annoying. They're listening to that, and I think I don't know. Siri's annoying. That's how they get their direction. Well, my mom still uses an atlas though when we're on the interstate, so it's like, oh God, well, please, you're going back to the 70s. Yep. Across the street, across the road. Well, just wanted to go for this walk here and relax, sit down for a while, since I don't know like exactly where this trail goes to. Not really sure. Oh, yeah, the Olympics. Are any of you watching the Olympics? The opening ceremonies, I guess, are tonight, so I might want to catch some of that. It feels like forever since last Olympics, which it is, 5 years, but I always like the Olympics, especially the summer ones. Well, no, I like the winter ones too, but summer I like better. Because I was a swimmer and I love watching swimming and things like that, so any water sports. Oh, I feel like I could just go for a dip in the lake right now, so it's just hot everywhere. Everywhere, Santa Fe, and then everywhere I've been on this trip so far, it's been hot. Colorado, Wyoming, Utah, and now Idaho. We still have like, I guess about 8 days left of this trip. Hi folks, I'm back. I had to delete. I have been taking a lot of videos. I've been trying to delete a lot of them as I go along and post them and all that and upload them. But anyway, back to what I was saying before the other video cut out. My brother and my sister-in-law has suggested something about going into the Sawtooth Mountains region, which is like, I think he said the Sawtooth region is like the Grand Tetons of the of Idaho. I'm sorry, of Idaho. I'm not thinking. I'm losing my train of thought. The Grand Tetons of Idaho. Craters of the Moon. I want to see craters of the Moon, and the town of Stanley, Idaho. It's very small, but you know, it may be worth seeing. So I don't know. We'll see what my dad feels like doing. I'm just hoping the zip lining thing works out tomorrow and I get to do that. It'll be really nice, and so we'll see. I don't know. I'm just enjoying this scenery. And, well, I guess I'll maybe go on back to the house and watch a little of the Olympics. I always like the Summer Olympics, so since we didn't have them last year, I'm eager to see them again. Okay, love you guys, and I'll hopefully get, I don't know that I'm going to be able to get any footage of the zip line. Well, I mean, not of me zip lining. I mean, I don't think that will be possible. I may get some footage like around the zip line adventure area or whatever. Maybe may have to do a slideshow. I don't know. I mean, my gear or something. But so we'll see how that goes. So hopefully it will happen tomorrow. If not, I'll try to zip line down in Boise. Maybe it'll be a lot easier. I don't know. That being a big city and everything, or bigger city than this. This is not a city at all. This is kind of really nice. So anyway, I will see you all later. You guys take care. Have a wonderful Friday evening, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. If I don't zip line, maybe I'll go kayaking. I don't know. If I don't zip line, I don't know. I just don't know what. Each day is something new and different. So we'll see. See you later. Bye bye.